In which year Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was appointed as member of Imperial Legislature Council 1878. Separate electorate was the main feature of Minto Morley reforms, who wrote the book Discovery of India by Jawaharlal Nehru. Named the movement which was started with the cooperation of Hindus and Muslims, Khilafat movement. Who was the founder of organization Arya Samaj in 1885? Dayan Saraswati. Who was the founder of the movement Home Rule League by Mrs. Anil Basant. When Communal Award was announced 1932. In which year Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental High School was founded 1875. The Central Mohammedan Association was founded by Sayyid Amir Ali. Author of the book The Making of Pakistan is by K.K. Aziz. The Revolt Act was passed in the year 1919. What was the original name of Hazrat Lal Shahbaz Qalandar Hazrat Usman Mehrwadi? Who was the first president of Constituent Assembly? Quaid-e-Azam. Who held the portfolio of foreign affairs in the first Cabinet of Pakistan? Zafarullah Khan. When All India Muslim League was founded in 1906, one of its written name was to promote loyalty towards British government. In which act the system of directive was introduced? Montagu Chelmsford Reforms 1919. Who announced the partition of India into two independent states on 3rd June 1947 by Lord Mountbatten. Allama Iqbal was chosen as president of All India Muslim League in 1930. 19th February 1946 is associated with arrival of Kabina mission in India. The LFO was issued by Yahya Khan. The partition of Bengal was cancelled during the viceroyalty of Lord Hardinge. The Rishmi Rumal movement of 1905 was initiated by Mahmudul Hassan. Anjuman Hamayat Islam was established in the year of 1884. Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed in the year 1951. Gwadar became the part of Pakistan in 1958. Durand Line was drawn in 1894. The institution of Federation Abundsman was created in 13 January 1983. Gandhi-Irwan Pact was signed on 5 March 1931. Liaquat Ali Khan went to America in May 1950. The book Myth of Independence was written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The founder of Islamia College Peshawar was Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum Khan. The canal water dispute was solved through the good officer of World Bank. NAM is abbreviated or non-aligned movement. ECO, the new name of ECO is RCD. Quaid-e-Azam visited NWFP in his lifetime thrice. The anthem Vande Mataram was composed in Bengali. KPK got NWFP the status of Governor Province in 1937. The Frazi movement was founded by Haji Sharaitullah. All India Muslim League Students Federation was founded at Lahore. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died during the second roundtable conference. The Sino Park boundary agreement was signed in 1963. OJRI camp was an ammunition depot. Which report rejected the demand of separate electorate? Nehru report. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was given the title of Quaid-e-Azam in 1938. Who is the author of the book The Last Days of Quaid-e-Azam? Colonel Ilahi Bakhsh. The oldest regional language of Pakistan is Sindh. Under which constitution bicameral was introduced in Pakistan? 1973. When was the first SARC conference held in Dhaka? In 1985. Which of the European nations came first in South Asia? Portuguese. War of Independence 1857 started from Meerut. Which party system prevails in India? Multi-party system. When Pakistan and China signed the Atomic Accord? 1986. Pakistan People Party was founded in 1967. Write the name of person who has been Governor General as well as Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khaja Nazmuddin. And Khaja Nazmuddin is the second Governor General of Pakistan. The first Chief Justice of Pakistan, Abdul Rashid, who started the Shudi movement by Tilak. Vande Mataram was the anthem. The famous WADA scheme was about education. The first British Governor General of India was Warren Hastings. During the Tashkent Agreement, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. In September 1958, the Deputy Speaker was killed in the Provisional Assembly of Bengal. Which are the aligned year in Pakistan's foreign policy 1954 to 1962? The Hansi tribe is settled in western Balochistan. The principal mineral produced in Pakistan is coal. The second imported gas reserve in Pakistan is Mari. Where the largest deposit of iron are found in Pakistan? In Kalabagh. Which is the main source of gypsum in Pakistan? Khyora mines. Use of zinc and boron can improve rice yield. Which sector of country is the largest consumer of soil and oil products? Transport. Which sector is the largest consumer of sui gas in Pakistan? The power sector. Which one is the largest consumer of electricity in Pakistan? The domestic consumer. Which is the oldest cantonment of Pakistan? Is Kohat. Sachin Glacier is at Baltistan. The Rachna Dog is situated between rivers of Ravi and Chenab. Which Saudi ruler visited Pakistan in 1966 by Shah Abdullah? When Shimla Accord was signed between Pakistan and India in 1972. All India Muslim League observed the Direct Action Day on 16 August 1946. Who was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case? Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Pir Sahib Manki Sharif founded the following party in September 1949, Awami Muslim League. In the absence of president, who becomes the acting president of Pakistan is the chairman of Senate. The state consists of 4 elements. Sovereignty is an essential attribute of state. The book in which Hobbes gave the theory of social contract is entitled, the book name Leviathan. According to Hobbes, the state of nature was a period of constant warfare. Who said, man is born free and everywhere he is in chains? These lines are written by Rousseau. Which of the following archaeological sites were discovered in 1955? Cote d'Ivoire. The Babusar Pass connects Abbottabad and Gilgit. Ghaznipur is the old name of Lahore. Which of the following fort was built by Mughal Emperor Zahiruddin Babur in 16th century? Bala Hizar Fort in Peshawar. Rawal Dam was built in 1962 on river of Korang. The first Wafaki Muhtasib of Pakistan was Justice Sardar Muhammad Iqbal. Pakistan joined the member of ILO, the International Labour Organization, in 1947. Karakoram Highway in Pakistan is of 805 km. Which of the following was signed on 8 April 1950? The Liaquat Nehru Pact. Mustawakili was the prominent poet of Balochi. The first rocket launched by Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research on 7 June 1962. Its name is Rahbar. Which of the following dam is situated at the highest altitude? That is Wali Tangi Dam. Hazrat Bahauddin Zikriya was the prominent Sufi saint of Naqshbandi order. On July 11, 1950, Pakistan became the member of World Bank. Decimal system was introduced in Pakistan on 1st January 1961. Which of the following missile was first launched by Pakistan? Its name is Hataf. 9 July 1948, Pakistan issued its first postal stamp. The Potwar Plateau is rich in the mineral deposit of rock salt, gypsum and coal. Which of the following is a cash crop? The cotton is a cash crop. Largest desert of Pakistan is Thar Parker. The oldest barrage on the Indus River is Sakhar Barrage. How many times Pakistan became Olympic champion in hockey? 3 times. Pakistan joined World Trade Organization in 1995. Pakistan's first female ambassador in foreign country was Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. The first princely state acceded to Pakistan after partition was Bahawalpur. National animal of Pakistan is Markhor. The FATA consists of 7 agencies. Which of the following scientists had died on April 1994? Dr. Salim Zaman Siddiqui. The first Urdu newspaper published after the creation of Pakistan was Imroz. First chief scout of Pakistan was Qaid-e-Azam. During Indus Valley civilization period, the people worshipped Mother Goddess. The Aryans at first settled in Punjab. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1922. Among the following Mughal rulers has been called the Prince of Builders is Shah Jahan. Pakistan shares longest border with Afghanistan. Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. The city of Agra was founded by Sikandar Lodi. The sea route to India was discovered in 1498. First European came to India were Portuguese. Shodhi movement was started by Swami Dayan Saraswati. The strategy of divide and rule was adopted by Lord Minto. Delhi became the capital of India during the British Raj in 1911. Arya Samaj was started by Swami Dayan Saraswati. First session of Indian National Congress was held under the presidencyship of W.C. Banerjee. Quit India movement started after the failure of Cripps mission. The practice of sati was declared illegal by Lord William Bentinck. The Prime Minister of Britannia at the time of independence of Pakistan, Clement Attlee. The Home Rule movement started by Annie Besant aimed at attaining self-rule for India. The first Indian Council Act was passed in 1861. In which year?